Layo nilakad namin eh. Oh, doon kami nag-park. Tapos nagbabas kami. Kasi yung pupuntahan namin, wala nang pagparkingan, kaya mag-park dito, mag-bus dito. Yun. Grabe ang tao, dami oh. Daming pila oh. Daming tao, nakakahilo oh. Naghahanap kami ng ilipad kayo. Daming tao.
Or Jamaica.
Ha? Buti na lang may nakita kami nakapila doon. Nakiyano na lang yan, pinapila nila yung Pilipatel. Ang habang pila. Pila. Doon ang pila. Haba. Buti na lang may nakita kami kakilala doon sa harap. Hindi kami pumila. Pila nila. Ha? Yeah.
So cute, guys. Okay. Akin na yung wallet mo, pero akin na yung
Elephant hair. Oh.
sorry, guys.
Elephant hair.
Mommy, have a bite. Sorry.
Oh, dami oh. Oh, dami pinili oh. Drop. Ang laki oh. Oo, ang dami namin pinili. Asan yung mga nagbumili? Asan na sila? Yung
They say left. I was gonna say bye, but they left.
did they buy?
Yeah.
Magbabas ulit kami. Oo. Ito ang bus. Yun ang line up. Ang haba. Yun. Hanggang doon ang linya. Oh. Itong pila hanggang doon sa dulo. Against the light.
Wait, there's people. Oh no. There's just so much easier. Hey guys, so today we're gonna show you a head. Wait guys, it's in my hair.
Okay, go.
Okay, ready? Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh yeah, that's true.
He came in clutch. I was telling him. He was like, I was like, good thing you were there.
Oh, ayan. Daming tao. Pilang-pilang bus.
Yeah, I know her.
Parang
I was trying to say hi. Really? Did you say hi? I was trying to, but she was like, I don't know what happened. Like, nothing really.
yan. Pila-pila. Pila-pila. Bus. Uwi na kami.
I think for myself.